Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Be ready for the legal passage with little bit of fluctuation. Start. The respondent that the entitled in the notification to the recall by a period of 3 months in the notice that the petition by the interregnum of the High Court full stop in the High Court of Judicature at West Bengal to the impugned interim order of the respondent has been continued to the order full stop. On the one hand, comma, to the order of the FIR number 15 of 2020 to the permanent with the Hindu Marriage Act full stop. Heard Mr. Rajiv Kumar, learned senior counsel, appearing for the petitioner, Mr. Ashutosh, learned senior counsel, appearing for the respondent with the matrimonial to the vicinity in the order of the miserable full stop. The treatment of the miserable have been considered to the petitioner number 1 full stop. He would further submit that there is sufficient material on record that the prima facie in the demonstration by the order of the High Court full stop. Per contra that the learned counsel appearing for the respondent with the order of the judgment that the allegation by the learned sessions court full stop. The tendency of the minor to the discussion of the observation by the comfortable full stop. There has been considered to the impugned order by the interlocutory order passed under section 26 of the Hindu Marriage Act full stop. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has expressed concern over the sluggish pace of trials and the lack of convictions in goods and services tax bracket GST bracket close evasion cases and flagged abrupt arrests of accused by the authorities, comma, driven by some inexplicable urgency rather than necessity, full stop. The court granted bail in an alleged case involving defrauding the state exchequer of rupees 107 crore as input tax credit by generating fake invoices from fake firms, full stop. The court noted that the empirical data suggest that notices under sections 73 and 74 of the CGST Act are served in a very few cases, full stop. It can be safely inferred that where notice is served, arrests are not being made. However, where arrests are in fact made, no prior notice is served, full stop. Further, the court said that authorities seem to be habitual of initiating proceedings but not seeing them through a trend appropriately showcased by the data provided by all 8 DGGI jurisdictions in the state of Punjab, Haryana, and Chandigarh. Full stop. The court said that while it is understandable that economic offences require sophisticated investigation, the same cannot go on indefinitely, full stop. It clarified that the court is not oblivious to the gravity of economic offences and its impact of late. It has been observed that the involvement of the criminal justice system in cases pertaining to the CGST Act seemingly begins at the stage of arrest and ends when a bail is secured, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट ATWPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस।